I gotta look for a weapon. Oh, God. Come in. Come in. Poof. Poof. I'll tell you when to come back to life. Now, you get back up because you're not dead.
How much was it in? This much?
Wait,
It tells me nothing. I have no idea how big the piece is. Okay. How much is it going?
You're still supposed to get hurt.
Fine.
And then you fall again.
Shit, no. Wait, Jay, you go. 13.
And then I get you down, and then you can't hit me.
What is the big deal?
Now you're down. Taylor, come here. And I hit you with a baseball bat. I don't really hit you. And I hit your hand, and then you dropped the weapon. And then, oh! And I hit you in the face. And now you're really knocked out. I'll tell you when to get back up. No, I'm gonna wear the mask. And you're supposed to be knocked out. Oh, now you're really knocked out. Oh, my nose. Ah, there. No, you're still knocked out. No, I'm back awake now. Oh! Ah! Now I'm knocked out. Don't call me, but I'm knocked out. Wait.
The powers are with the mask.
Stop. No. You just take off the mask. And then you're supposed to get out the room.
I take the gun so you can't hit it.
Oh, no, but then you accidentally drop it.
The gun's out of this. No more gun. No more bat, too. Ugh.
What? My mom.
She said stop opening and closing the door. So I close it.
Oh God! Oh God! I take it.
No, you don't.
No! Oh!
That weapon doesn't affect me since it's mine.
Yes, it does.
Not badly. When you try to stab me, I take it.
Oh! Oh! Okay, no one talking, okay? Oh. I hit you in the face with it.
I hit you in the head too, so we're both knocked out.
Later. You know, you're already out. Pretend like you're out the room. Stand right there. Pretend like you're out of the room. Now I know what